Welcome. Welcome to the Theta Healing broadcast for this week. This is your mentor, success coach, international Theta Healing coach and practitioner Amit Khadse. Welcome once again. And today's topic is planning. Planning from the creator's perspective. So let's move ahead. Close your eyes, sit in a comfortable position and relax your body. Take another deep breath and exhale. Take a third deep breath and exhale and relax your body, your mind, your soul, your brain. And imagine energy coming from the center of the earth to the bottom of your feet. This Mother Earth energy moves up through your entire feet, legs, knees, thighs, hip region, abdomen, chest region, relaxing those body parts. It goes to your face region, head, and 1 foot onto the top of your head to the crown chakra. Relaxing your entire body, cleansing your entire body. Listen to the music and just stay in the present moment. And now you will focus on the crown chakra and witness yourself seated in the crown chakra in the ball of light, safe and protected. Shoot this ball up. This ball moves up, it crosses the Earth planet, the solar system, Milky Way galaxy, black light, white light, golden light, pink light, and finally goes into tingling white light of the creator of all that is. Creator of all that is, जिसे हम हिंदी में परमात्मा कहते हैं. Go deep inside this white light. As you go deep inside, the ball around you gets dissolved. Go further deep and say to yourself, I am never separate. I am one with love and I am one with the creator of all that is. Absorb the creator's unconditional love into yourself. And now I am giving the first command to the creator of all that is. It is commanded to fill each and every cell and all the belief levels of the person who is listening to this broadcast with creator's unconditional love, safety and security. Thank you. It is done. It is done. It is done. Now please show. Being absolutely calm, you will witness now the creator's white light coming directly from the hands of the creator. It falls onto the top of your head. Halke se, pyar se. It goes into your body through the center of your forehead, goes to the backside of your brain. From the backside, it goes to your heart, filling your entire heart with creator's unconditional love. It gets split into two, covering both sides of the shoulders, and then it is further absorbed by each and every cell, right from the top of your head to the bottom of your head. Filling each and every cell with creator's unconditional love. Take a deep breath and exhale. And focus on your mind and commit to yourself and commit to the creator of all that is, that whatever you do and your plans will succeed. Take a deep breath and exhale. And allow me to download for you from the creator's perspective that you have a plan for your own destiny. As per the creator's purpose, and staying focused to fulfill that plan is your innate ability. It's your well-being, it's your innate ability, it's your inner wisdom. And that you have clear directions in your life to accomplish all your goals, your dreams and aspirations. And as your goals and dreams and aspiration unfolds, you know how and what it feels like to live your life without distraction to fulfill the God's given destiny. Sufficing your life purpose, your soul purpose, and the Creator's plans for you are blessed. And as you walk in his plan for you in your own life, you experience his abundance in everything that you set hands to. जिस किसी में आप हाथ डालोगे, the Creator's plan is so perfect that it turns everything into gold. His planning is perfect. At all cell levels and all belief levels, in all areas of your life and in all known languages known to you, to the Creator of all that is, kindly download this for all who are listening to this broadcast. Thank you. It is done. It is done. It is done. Now please show. You will witness the white light, which are these feelings, the blessings from the Creator. It goes into the pink light, and now this pink light falls onto the top of your head. This pink light goes into your existence through the center of your forehead, goes to the backside of the brain. From the backside, it goes to your heart. And from the top of your head, it gets split into two, covering both sides of your shoulders. Further, it is absorbed by each and every cell, right from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. Your plannings have become perfect now. So let's express the gratitude from the Creator's perspective. So allow me, to the Creator of all that is, it is commanded to teach and download, and allow me to express gratitude to the Creator of all that is for the plan that He has for me in my life. Help me set my schedule to accomplish your will today. Thank you for the heart and the soul which leads and guides me into all truth, and help me to honor the Creator of all that is. The honor, the well-being, the integrity, the serenity of the Creator of all that is, to make His plans successful through you. At all cell levels and all belief levels, as per the Creator's perception, and in all known languages known to you. Thank you. It is done. It is done. It is done. Now please, you will witness the white light coming from the top. This is this expression of your gratitude to the Creator of all that is. This white light falls onto the top of your head, from the top of your head to the bottom of the feet. It is absorbed by each and every cell. It is absorbed into your existence through the center of your forehead, goes to the backside of your brain. From backside, it goes to your heart, filling your entire heart with this gratitude. It split into two onto the top of your head, covering both sides of your shoulders. It is your innate part of your existence now. And now I am rinsing and grounding all your chakras to the Creator of all that is. It is commanded to rinse and ground all the chakras for all the people listening to this broadcast. Thank you. It is done. It is done. It is done. Now please show. You will witness the white light falls onto the top of your head from the Creator's hands. It enters into your body, gets converted into waterfall. This waterfall rinses each and every cell of your body, each and every organ of your body, each and every chakra of your body, right from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. From the bottom of the feet, it goes down to the center of the, touches the center of the, bounces back. Again, it comes to the feet. Raises through your legs, knees, thighs, hip region, comes to the base of your spine, touches your root chakra. It moves up 2 inches above, it touches your sacral chakra. 1 inch below your navel, it touches your solar plexus. Heart chakra at the center of your heart, throat chakra at the center of your throat, third eye at the center of your forehead, and 1 foot onto the top of your head, it merges with the crown chakra, releasing massive amount of energy. Now you are grounded to the Mother Earth and connected to the Creator of all that is. You can say thank you to yourself, you can say thank you to the universe, you can say thank you to creator of all that is, you can say thank you to Theta Healing. You can say thank you to Vaina Stipple, who is the founder of Theta Healing, and with complete gratefulness, you can open your eyes. Thank you for being with us in this broadcast, and be with us in your journey. We assure you will certainly make a huge difference in your life and also to the people associated in your life. Feel free to share this broadcast in all your groups, in all your known people, friends, colleagues, relatives. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you once again, and see you next Thursday.